Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Journals, Tools, and More. In this video, we are going to be putting together a potty stool that my wife bought off Amazon. So let's get started. Okay, all right. So here is the stool. Okay, it's in 4 different pieces. Comes with directions. Comes with a small Phillips screwdriver. Okay, like a cheapy type screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Comes with a packet of screws, if you can see that. It also comes with directions. So instead of me using this small Phillips screwdriver, which is not really, I can't get a good grip on it or not like that at all, I'm going to end up using my own. Okay. Got this from Harbor Freight. It was free. So I'm going to be using this. There is a hole here, and is there a square notch here. All right. And there is a square notch, there's like a tab here. This tab fits into this square notch. All right. Now this is like, to me, it feels like a metal. It feels like a very thin metal with a piece of wood. Okay. So, it feels light, which is nice. Okay. So let's put this in. All right. So it's just like this. Tab goes in, locks in like that. Okay. Let's set that down. Open my bag of screws. Dump them out right there. All right, now I was going to use a battery power drill, but since this is, it's not gonna say it's cheap wood, but it might be, but I'm not sure. But it's all right. But I don't want to ruin it. Okay, like strip it out or whatever it is and stuff. 'Cause my wife bought this from Amazon. So instead, I'm just going to be using my Phillips screwdriver. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in there first. Put another screw in second. To damage this feels like metal, like metal on the outside, metal on the inside, on both outsides with a piece of wood. So I don't want to strip it out. All right. So now that one's done, cassette. Now we take the other one. Okay. And again, square hole with a tab. Fits just like this. Bring it closer so you all can see it. Okay. Right like that. Give a little bit of a hit. Take 2 screws. Start a screw here. A screw here. That. Okay, that's good. Let me check this side. Yep. That's good. Now we have a bigger section here with a small section here. All right, and this top piece, okay, actually fits like this. So the U shape actually fits or covers the bigger section. So it goes just like this. So you all can see it. Okay, pops in. Make sure it's lined up nice, which it is. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. There we go. Now we take the last of the screws. When it gets and there we go. That's what it looks like after it's all done. That's what it looks like. That's the bottom. There we go. Alright, so the stool is in front of the toilet. I'm going to put my feet up on it. I'm positioned right now. It makes it easier and more comfortable to go. Well, everybody, that's it for the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. See you next video. Peace.